Communication. The difficult part is that we think we've done it. As a student of communication for past 38 years, I can tell you that I've had my high moments and my lows. My name's Bill Kreiger. I'm a certified master instructor with iSpeak, and I welcome you to the iSpeak Corporate Ovations course. We're excited to have you in, and know that in this particular course, you're going to be able to experience some challenges that'll help you grow and become a better communicator. We're going to help you focus on not only what you're doing well so that you can repeat it, but also to help you know how to even improve it and make it that much better. I have found in my own communication at times I am not congruent in that communication, and sending multiple messages will help you become more congruent. You'll have the opportunity to be video recorded so that you can watch yourself and see your strengths and your improvements. We also want you to prepare for that by coming with a topic that you can address. This topic could be a business topic that you would give in a one-on-one with a client, or maybe even to a small team, or maybe you have the opportunity to do in front of large groups and speak to huge audiences. Come with that topic ready to prepare, develop, and deliver it. Now, you won't need your laptop because we're not looking at PowerPoint or creating slides. Just come with an open mind and the ability to want to change. Welcome to the class.